have built a couple of bots that will automatically distribute points when a significant milestone is achieved. So on a birthday, we'll give an automatic distribution of a certain set of points that'll go directly into that person's balance. And once again, they can redeem those points for any number of the rewards that you're offering. So we do that for birthdays, and then we do that as well for anniversaries to celebrate people's commitment to your organization. So loyalty is something that often goes unseen, but when you really take the chance to pause, reflect, celebrate those people for those moments, and create an opportunity for conversation around how impressive those accomplishments are, your team's going to feel seen. They're going to feel like their contributions are actually recognized. They're going to feel like their teammates have an insight into the contributions that they've made to the organization. And that's a really powerful thing for retention, but just for make your employees feel like they're valued members of your community. So those are the examples of how to automate those things. But there's also flows that we use where on somebody's birthday, a manager, a teammate can actually create a flow specifically to be a birthday card for that person. So you'll get your automated message with your distribution of points, but your teammates will also be able to jump in and say, happy birthday, and write a quaint little message about you, about your relationship, and celebrating your big day. So here we have an example of what it looked like on Brooke's birthday, where people are jumping in, saying happy birthday, wishing well, and tossing in a gift. So if we answer this flow, we can see what kind of words would you like to share with your teammate for their birthday? And if you wanted to make one of these for yourself, we have a template for that as well. So if you jumped into creating a flow and you looked for the birthday card template or the anniversary card template, we'll use that one for now. You can actually use this template and then once again, edit it for your needs. So for us in this flow, we're just asking what kind of words would you like to share with your teammate for their anniversary, but perhaps there's an opportunity to make this more fun. So maybe we add another gift block and we say, how does this person make you feel? And then when people respond, they'll have the opportunity to toss in a fun GIF in order to make that person feel more, celebrated, and also to make the flow a little bit more fun and exciting. So that's really how we celebrate milestones with an assembly and how we enable you to do the same.